to see mermaid today. Or watch. Okay, either way, they're both. I'm gonna watch and see mermaid today, yeah, but not the Little Mermaid. I'm gonna watch my friends performing in mermaid. Oh my god, I'm so excited for that. And currently, I'm waiting at the lobby for them because dyslexia me can't read the time that well. So yeah, that's why I'm always early. So. Just reached into the NCO and now I'm behind the screen watching mermaid. Look, all our mertenders are here. And I want of my mermaid performer. Why? So now this is the fish pool menu. Wow. Wow. So this is the tacos. I don't know, is it salmon tacos? Mrs. Singapore first runner out, say hi. It's so appetizing.
Hello everybody, and a very warm welcome to all the friends and family of the Singapore Mermaid Pod. Welcome to our first platinum graduation since COVID. This is the first batch to bring magic back since COVID, and so we are all so excited to perform for you tonight. Yeah, you too! So, Platinum is the first level in the world, the first mermaid course in the world to simulate a performative setting in such an area of high visibility. So it has been very exciting to be the pioneer of the industry in this regard, and I know our mermaids are equally excited. We are going to introduce you to Mermaid Alana. She says, from the North Atlantic Ocean to the South China Sea, Singapore Mermaid Pod is where my name came to be, Canadian South. And here she comes down. Gorgeous. Joy and magic to those passions. Being underwater brings her peace, and she enjoys diving deep. Say shallow to Merman Odin, who embodies the fierce energy of war and love. His quest to find his true purpose led him to the SMP, where he found where he truly belongs. So now what we have to look forward to is our certification presentation. Before we do that, we're going to have a little intermission, and then all our platinum batteries are going to swim forward in full force. So get your phones ready.
Hey, thank you so much. Oh, you okay.
I'm just done with their mermaid performance and graduations, and congrats mermaids, fishy. I'm so proud of you guys. Yeah, so now I'm waiting for mermaid Odin to be done so that we can eat. So yeah, that's my day today, and thank you for watching. See you soon.